Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. If you have a DualSense controller like this one, in order to pair it with your laptop, you have to press and hold the Create button and the PlayStation button at the same time and wait until the light starts throbbing like this. Then click the three icons on your status bar on your laptop, make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled and tap on the arrow icon next to it. Then, to pair your device with the DualSense controller, just click on it. And this way you will connect your controller to your laptop. If you have an Xbox controller, on the other hand, then to connect it with your laptop, you have to tap on the Xbox logo, which is located right here, in order to enable your controller, and then hold down the pair button, which is located right here. Hold it down until you see the notification in the bottom right corner of your screen. Just click on it and your controller will be paired with your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.